Welcome back to Car Flair. If you're just getting into motorcycles, you're probably feeling excited and maybe even a bit overwhelmed. That's totally normal. Motorcycling is an incredible experience, there's nothing quite like the freedom of the open road. But before you twist that throttle, there are some critical things every beginner needs to know. Today, we're sharing 15 must-know tips that'll help you start your motorcycle journey with confidence, safety, and style. 1. Start with the right bike. Choosing the right motorcycle is your first big decision. Don't jump straight to high-powered sport bikes or heavy cruisers. For most beginners, something in the 300cc to 500cc range is ideal. Look for a bike that feels light, manageable, and comfortable for your height and weight. It should be easy to get both feet flat on the ground when you're stopped. 2. Take a safety course. Before anything else, sign up for a motorcycle safety course. These are often required to get your license, but even if they're not, take one. You'll learn essential skills like braking, cornering, swerving, and emergency stops in a controlled environment with experienced instructors. 3. Gear up every single time. Your gear is your only protection out there. Never ride without a DOT-approved helmet, gloves, a motorcycle jacket, long pants, and proper riding boots. Don't cut corners on quality, your gear is just as important as your bike. No matter how short the ride, always suit up. 4. Get comfortable with the controls. Before hitting the road, take time to familiarize yourself with your bike's controls. Know where everything is: the throttle, brakes, clutch, gear shifter, and horn. Practice using them until it feels natural. Parking lots are a great place to do this. 5. Learn to use the clutch smoothly. Stalling is common for beginners, especially when learning to start from a stop. Practice easing off the clutch while gradually rolling on the throttle. With time, your starts will become smooth and consistent. Don't worry, everyone stalls at first. 6. Master slow speed control. Riding fast is easy, riding slowly is where skill really shows. Practice low-speed maneuvers like U-turns and figure eights in a parking lot. Use the rear brake, clutch friction zone, and a bit of throttle to stay balanced and in control. 7. Always ride defensively. Assume drivers don't see you. Many motorcycle accidents happen because car drivers simply don't notice bikes. Stay out of blind spots, keep your headlights on during the day, and make yourself visible. Ride like you're invisible, and always have an escape plan. 8. Know your braking. Modern bikes have great brakes, and some come with ABS. Learn how your bike responds under braking. In an emergency, you need to know how hard you can brake without locking up. Practice emergency stops in a safe area, using both brakes evenly. 9. Watch your speed. It's tempting to go fast, motorcycles make it easy. But as a beginner, your focus should be on control, not speed. Riding at a moderate pace gives you more time to react and reduces the chance of losing control. Build up your skills before you push the limits. 10. Look where you want to go. Your bike goes where your eyes go. When cornering, turn your head and look through the turn. Don't fixate on obstacles, called target fixation, because you'll likely steer right into them. Trust your bike and always look ahead. 11. Check the weather. Motorcycles and bad weather don't mix well. Rain, wind, and especially ice can make riding extremely dangerous. As a beginner, avoid riding in wet or slippery conditions. If you have to ride in light rain, take it slow, increase your braking distance, and watch for slick spots. 12. Do a pre-ride check. Every time before you ride, inspect your bike. Check tire pressure, brakes, lights, oil levels, and chain tension. A quick walk around can help you catch issues before they become problems. Safety starts before the engine even turns on. 13. Ride with experienced riders. If you have friends who ride, tag along on some easy group rides. Make sure they know you're a beginner. Watching more experienced riders handle curves, intersections, and group etiquette can teach you a lot. Just don't feel pressured to match their speed or style, ride your own ride. 14. Stay mentally focused. Motorcycling demands your full attention. Never ride if you're tired, distracted, or emotional. Your awareness of the road, other drivers, and your surroundings must be sharp. A moment of inattention can change everything. Stay alert and ride with a clear mind. 15. Keep learning. Every ride teaches you something. Don't rush to become a pro, motorcycling is a journey. Read books, watch videos, and keep practicing. As your experience grows, so will your confidence and skill. Respect the machine, respect the road, and never stop improving. That's it, 15 essential tips every beginner motorcyclist should know. Riding a motorcycle is thrilling, but it's also a huge responsibility. If you take the time to learn the right way from the beginning, you'll not only be safer, you'll enjoy the ride a whole lot more. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment telling us what your first bike is or will be. And if you're ready for more motorcycle content, reviews, and car features, don't forget to subscribe to Car Flair and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep enjoying the journey. See you in the next one.